Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with your daily update for the Ethereum technicals and Solana. For the Ethereum technicals, price has declined after just falling short of resistance at 3680, hovering around resistance at 3200 and now declining with a pretty strong bearish candlestick just here. Volume continues to support downwards movement with strongest volume on the bearish candlesticks and a steady increase on these last 4 completed bearish candlesticks. At this time frame, ADX continues to increase with a bearish trend that is not extreme and not yet in danger of ending. RSI is neutral and declining, getting a little bit close to oversold, though it does still have some room to move. Money flow also neutral and declining with quite a bit more room than RSI before it may enter oversold. Additionally, neither RSI or money flow exhibit divergence at this time frame. ATR steadily increasing for the very short term, increasing as price declines, giving a slight bearish outlook for volatility for the very short term. And as this trend indicated by ADX is not yet extreme with RSI and money flow both still neutral and neither exhibiting divergence, this expects price to continue lower to where ADX may reach extreme or very extreme conditions. RSI and money flow may enter overbought and or exhibit divergence. On the Solana daily chart, this wave count sees primary wave 4 complete at this last low here, subdividing as a single zigzag truncated by 2.7951, where intermediate wave C fails to move beyond the end of intermediate wave A by that much. An Elliott channel drawn around the intermediate degree movements from the start of intermediate wave A to the end of intermediate wave B with a copy on the end of intermediate wave A. This upwards movement now labeled the beginning of primary wave 5, currently within minor wave 2 of intermediate wave 1. Minor wave 2 subdividing as a flat on this wave count, moving lower for the end of minute wave C. It has a target calculated at 143.4381, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio of minor wave 1. As minor wave 2 continues lower, it cannot move below the start of minor wave 1 at 122.5794. And once minor wave 2 is labeled complete, upwards movement is expected to continue for minor wave 3 and intermediate wave 1. On the technical daily chart for Solana, price has declined after this last high here, finding resistance at 190 with this bearish engulfing pattern here, moving below support resistance at 175 and now finding support around 157. Volume still supports upwards movement overall with strongest volume on these bullish candlesticks, though strong volume on this most recent bearish candlestick just here sees some strength in downwards movement, though as you can see here it is just a little bit lower than the previous stronger bullish candlestick, supporting the bullish volume profile for the short term. ADX now declines at this time frame, showing no clear trend. ATR steadily increasing overall with price, though a slight increase in ATR recently as price declines gives a slight bearish outlook for volatility for the very short term. And as ADX declines at this time frame for Solana, we use the model of stochastics and support and resistance, which suggests a downward swing may occur at this point towards 127 or down to 118, where price may find that support point, where stochastics enters oversold. It is also possible that the downward swing may end a little bit earlier, with price finding support around 157 and stochastics falling just short of oversold, though we will have to wait for price to move around support resistance at 157 for confidence in either outlook there. That's all for me with your daily update for Solana and the Ethereum technicals. As always, if you want the Ethereum Elliott Wave count, you can sign up for that today at pureelliottwave.com using the link in the description below. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good day.